welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Chanel, aka the Rosie Planner, and today we are going to be doing an unboxing and walkthrough plus setup, so this might be a little bit lengthy, of some Erin Condren goodies. So I'm gonna just open the box and get right into it with you guys, and then, you know, based off the title, you already know what's about to happen, but we're gonna go through it together, all right? So I kind of already, you know, ripped this open because I really wanted to see, but boom, look at that. The packaging for Erin Condren is to die for, guys. It's literally to die for. I love how nice and neat they put everything. So you have your card, you have your enjoy in case you wanted to use this. I use this for a happy mail that I sent to a friend, and then here we go. The Erin Condren Folio. So let's move this out the way. And let's see what we got here. So let's go through each book that I got. So I got first the traveling journal, which includes 4 weeks of itinerary spreads, 28 daily planning spreads, packing and prep lists, daily spending trackers. Ooh, that's good. Daily spaces for memory keeping, lists to remember, favorite places, and illustrate metallic sticker sheet. Nice. So we're gonna open this up. So here we go. Look at this. Always take the scenic route. I love it. So, ooh, already here we go. This little folder in the back, love it. Got your stickers. And then here we go. So we have the Petite Planner Travel Journal. All right. And so we have the reservations and to-dos. And then you have your packing list, essentials, toiletries. This is amazing. Oh my gosh. Places to visit, landmarks you want to go. And then you have your itinerary. Wow. And it has 7 days. So that's usually like a standard vacation, like 7 days. Unless you're going someplace longer than that, then you could, you know, kind of write it on the side. But and then you have your daily adventures. That's cool. So you have, I'm pretty sure you have like 7 days of that. Yep, and then it goes into a new trip. Oh, this is amazing, and it's undated, so you can use this at any point in time. There's no real mandatory, you know, dates that you have to go. It's just whenever you take your trip. And then your expenses, like what you spent for that day. Today's outfit. I didn't even see that. That's so cute. The meals you had, who you're seeing today or what you're seeing today. Your favorite moment from the day. So it's like journaling plus travel, packing, and all that stuff. That's amazing. So I have a trip coming up to New Orleans, and I'm super excited to use this. It just helps with, you know, being mindful, purposeful, making sure that you have everything. And it's just also an awesome way to document like your life abroad or wherever you're going. So next we have a wellness log, and it comes with 6 months of weekly spreads. Wow. Daily workout step water intake, and sleep trackers, weekly food journal, monthly goal and progress spreads, monthly wellness tips, and illustrative metallic sticker sheet. So this is super informative and super helpful. Energy flows where attention goes. Nice. I see this little bound piece. Let's cut that off. Okay, because that was going to bother me throughout the video. All right, so we have the wellness log. And so the first thing we have is the starting point. So the date, the clothing size, and then kind of just where you're at in life. Then it'll have your setting successful goals, my wellness goals. And then it has your activity, your water intake, your steps, your hours slept. So those are the trackers for each day. And then you have your breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. And so you have that weekly look, and then we go into the monthly progress. So you have these few weeks leading up to your month, and then their date, your weight, your clothing size, chest size. So this is also like if you're really trying to like lose weight and go hard and losing weight. But also there's the wellness, like what's going on in your body at the time, like you just being more mindful. So I think it's good for both of those. It's good for the whole spectrum, I should say. So if you're really trying to lose weight and go hard, it's good for that. But it's also like good for the lower end if you're just trying to just be more mindful about your body and your wellness and your state of mind. It's good for both of them. So the things you accomplish, your goal, progress, plans for the next month. And then it starts the next month. And then your monthly progress. So that's really cool. Then you have notes in the back. Got 2-3 note sections. And then, yeah, that's it. This is super cool. And as, oh, I had these. Okay, so that's a stringy thing going on here. That's fine, no worries. So yeah, these look, this wellness book is really helpful. And what I'm liking so far is everything is undated. Like there's no mandatory stress about having to go by a certain date and buy a certain book, you know, and finish things. So these two so far, I'm really glad that I got them. So next we have the daily planner. This is for July through September. So it's already a couple weeks into July. I still might use it, but I'll probably start in August. But you have colorful vertical layouts. You have 3 months of daily planning, 3 monthly spreads, daily mini months and checklists, note pages, inspirational quotes, and functional metallic sticker sheets. So it looks like everyone comes with a sticker sheet, which is super cool. So I like this like neon yellow and then this gold foil on top. So here's your monthly spread. And then your daily. So that's one of the reasons why I got this, is because of the daily. I have a good chunk of planners that I'm using now, but I wanted to try this out because of just, you know, the way that it's laid out. You just have your list and then you can kind of use these. I've seen people break them up into section like morning, afternoon, night, or some will put the hours on the side, like from 7 to whatever. But overall, I just really like the spread of these so far. And then each month is a different color. So now we're into August. So July, I might use the last of it, but overall, I'm probably going to start in August, which will only give me 2 months, but that's okay. And then you have the metallic stickers in the back. So that's good. And the month, you know, they have all the major dates and things coming up. And then you have a folder in the back. So that's good. Next, we have the budget book. Wow, okay. So this is one of the things that I was definitely looking into, because if you haven't already seen, I do have a budget video coming up, or that's already out, depending on when this video gets uploaded. And that was the first budget book that I got. And I haven't used it yet, but I bought the folios and everything that goes in the folio, you know, around the same time. So I kind of wanted to see which budget book would really work for me and the things that I'm trying to achieve financially. So let's get into it. Oh, it has 12 months of budget spreads. It has weekly spending summaries, saving goal tracker, debt tracker, monthly savings and expense spreads, and illustrative metallic sticker sheets. So I love the kaleidoscope look. That's their, you know, their theme, or their color spectrums that they've been using for this season, I guess, of their Happy Planner stuff. So this looks pretty. And this is the budget book, so let's get right into it. So we have each month, okay, from the beginning, 1, 2, 3, 6, so 12 months, what you're saving for, how much you deposited, and your total amount saved. And so you get them broken down too for like each month, because usually people get 2 checks. So out of each check, you know, how much did you put in and blah, blah. So then, once again, what I love is that all of this is undated. So you can kind of jump in, jump out, do whatever you have to do. If you know that a month is going to be really more stressful financially, you can sit down and map it out and then come back to it. You know, a month, next month, or 2 months from now, you know. So there's no forcing you to have to continue every single month. It's just kind of, it could be as you need it, or you can, you know, restrain yourself and discipline yourself to do it each month. I'm gonna try to do it each month, but the fact that it's undated is helpful. It's not like you're wasting pages. So first you have just your month at a glance, your upcoming purchases, your upcoming bills, and your saving goals, and then your actual breakdown of like what your income is, your savings, housing, food, utilities, personal, auto, entertainment, medical, other, personal debt, and total income. So this gives you everything, which is amazing to me. And then you just have your spending summary of just what you spent, whether you can include all the bills or you can include just your random expenses in here. And you get a good chunk of those. You get 1, 2, 3, 4 pages, and then you go into your next month. So I really like just these 2 pages. I would use this more for my bills, not my everyday expenses, because I don't think I would be really good at, tracking that, because I'm very forgetful, and sometimes I won't even sit down at night and look at my planner and check off the things until the next morning. So overall, I think these 2 pages would be really, really great, but I'm going to try to incorporate this. And then you have 12 months of that, so you have a whole bunch of colors, and then you have some stickers to kind of keep you motivated and on task. So this was one of my major purchases, like why I got the entire, not why I got the entire thing, but one of the reasons why. And I mean, you can purchase this separately. I'm going to put all the information down below, but still. And then lastly, I have the daily customizable agenda, which includes 75 undated daily spreads, open layout to plan your way each and every day, illustrative details to bring a touch of floral to your plans, and the exclusive metallic stick sheet. So this is the, I'm assuming, the undated version of this. This is the dated, and so like after I bought it, I kind of realized like I shouldn't have gotten this, but just this, because this has dates, and clearly I'm already behind in the dates, and this isn't. So let's get into this one. So first of all, y'all already know why I got this. If you've seen my Happy Planner video, you hear how obsessed I am with floral right now in my life. Don't know why, don't know what it is, but everything is floral. If you follow me on Instagram, like you see my laptop, you see a lot of the stuff in my life is floral, and I love it. I'm not afraid to say it. So this is the Petite Daily Planner Customizable Agenda. And look at that. You have everything inside of you to be and do anything you want. And yeah, this is why they said customizable, because everything's just blank. Everything, which I love. Absolutely love it. It's just a blank spread that you can use for everything, like anything. And you can put whatever you want in there. Now, if you compare it to this one, this is the dated. So this is like August. And so you can see that there's no, of course, monthly spread. Let's see, there's no monthly spread up here. There's no date. You can kind of just fill it in as you go. You can put whatever you want wherever. And I think that's really what's important. And so I'm going to end up getting more of these than these, because this gives me the flexibility to come and go as I please. And that's what's important to me. Like, I don't want to be restrained to any type of planner, because sometimes, certain planners, or as a planner girl, like sometimes you get bored of one planner, but sometimes it's hard for you to switch over to another planner because you're like, it's dated. I don't want to just drop it in August when I still have, 8 other months to go through or 6 other months to go through. So I might as well just finish with that. But if it's undated, it allows you to kind of flip flop and go wherever you want to go based off of what you're feeling at that moment in time. Like, what do I need? Do I need more structure? Do I need less structure? Do I need more bulleting or less bullet journaling? Like, so it gives you the flexibility, and that's what I liked about the customizable agenda from Erin Condren. So overall, I have 5 of these bad boys, which is great, right? Super great. So now let's get into this folio. So I got the gray one, and super excited. I could have gotten like the tealish one, but I like the gray. I'm very subtle and quiet. So just looking at the design of this, the leather, I don't know if that's pleather, but it seems really sturdy. Then you have the rings inside. I only have 4, so I would have to pick out of these 5 what 4 I would want to go in there. And the travel journal will be 1, the budget, the wellness, And then I'll probably do the daily planner and save this for when my daily planner runs out, and then I won't have to buy another one. So I'm going to put the daily planner first, and it kind of like, I guess, opens up to the center of it already, so you can just slip this in here, I'm assuming, like that. There we go. Does it even fit? Okay, here we go. Then I would probably put the budgeting one next, and this is the center of it. So I have this one. Oops, I don't know. There we go. And then I would do the wellness. And you don't have to use all the rings or all these. I'm just gonna put all of them in here just to kind of see what it all looks like and fits like. And then lastly, the travel. Like, you wouldn't have to carry this one around with you all the time, because you don't, unless you're like a daily like traveler. I'm trying to find the center of this. I think this is it. This one. All right, so here we go. Here are all four, and here it is. This is what it looks like. Close this up. It looks like everything fits. This is cool. This is awesome right here. I like this. And then you just kind of flip to, all right guys, it's time to budget, so let's get my budget book. Like, boom, here we are. Oop, going on a trip. Let me go through my, boom, here we are. And then, you know, your wellness and so on and so forth. So this is really, really cool. I'm excited to get into this. And then, like I said, I'll throw this in after I'm done this daily planner. And it's pretty thick, but it has everything you need. So it's like one big planner with everything in it. Like, it's one big planner with, you know, your budget, your traveling, your wellness, everything you need, and kind of your journaling in here. So you could also get just like a lined one, a lined notebook, and put it in here for notes as well if you didn't want to keep your traveler or whatever. So I'm super excited for this new journey with this new Erin Condren book. As you guys know, I have a Erin Condren academic undated planner, and I'm gonna look into the new one that they put out, but I really like the undated option because, you know, as I stated before, I'm one who likes to jump around, and when it comes to academics, I do get breaks, so I don't like having like months not used in my planner. So having the undated, I can jump from a spring to a fall to a summer semester, and the in-between months that I'm on break, like, I don't have to stress about, you know, having to put anything in there because it's undated, so I can just fall back into it when I go. So yeah, this is the folio. I'm really excited. Like I said, I love this gray. I didn't get it engraved because this was just my first one, and I wanted to see if it would be worth me, you know, using, if I'm going to use it as often, and then the next time I can possibly get another color and get it engraved, maybe the Rosie Planner or, you know, my regular name on there. So thank you guys for watching. I'm super excited to get into this new Erin Condren Folio. I will keep you guys posted on my journey with this new planner setup, and I really enjoy, you know, putting out these videos for you guys. So if you could hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification so that you get notified every time that I upload a video. And let me know down below in the comment section if you have an Erin Condren Folio, and how have you liked using it so far. Do you enjoy it? Do you not enjoy it? And so on and so forth. So I would love to hear from you guys, and thank you guys for coming with me on this journey, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Deuces.